Hey my loves! So today we decided to film a twin Q&A. We thought this would be a great video so that you guys can get to know us a little bit better and we could break the ice on our channel. So if you'd like to see what we responded, then just keep on watching. So we're gonna start off with our names. My name is Janeri. And I'm just Cindy. We're 26 years old. So the first question is, do you have the same clothes and shoes? The answer is yes. So everything is the same. Tops are all the same, just different colors. We have all the same jeans, all the same shoes, all the same accessories, all the same makeup. So the only difference is that our tops, we always get the same top but different colors. Except if it's like a must-have, then we'll both get the same. So if there's a white and a black, we'll each get the white and the black. I think we'll be like that forever at this point. Ever dreamed of being alone? No. Never. I can't imagine my life without her. We're so used to having somebody all the time that there's just no way that I can ever imagine myself not having a twin. What's the favorite movie you watched together and tell us why? So growing up, The Little Mermaid was our favorite. Imagine ourselves being mermaids. And then after that, once we grew up, I think that A Walk to Remember was like our favorite. We could watch it every day. Mandy Moore's voice is just so beautiful, and we just imagined ourselves like being her and singing, which we can't. What are the real differences between your appearances? I have a scar on my forehead. I have one right across my cheek. Apart from that, I think once you get to know us really well, you can see the difference. I think that our eye shapes are different, our noses, our entire face shape I feel like is different. Yeah, even our head shape. Yeah. The next question is, have you ever attended your twins' classes without any problems? Let's tell them about that time, sister. So it was the one and only time. So it was the first time that we ever decided to switch classes, and we got caught the first time. And it was in kindergarten. So her class was a lot of fun. She always did like arts and crafts and activities. They were like really hands-on, and my class was really strict. So I guess like in our kindergarten days, we would tell each other about our days, you know, and I felt bad that she was having a rough time in kindergarten. She decided to give me an opportunity, give me a chance. I gave her one day in my class so she can see what, you know, fun was about. She got caught because since my class was so strict, my teacher knew that I would have known the things that I didn't know. So like, for example, when she asked the classroom to grab a book, I didn't even know where her locker is. Like, you should have told me. Listen, where are your stuff was kept, okay? You were hyping up your day. I was set me up for failure. So when I went to go grab the book, I was like, you know, asking classmates, like, where is my stuff at again? And the teacher caught on like in 2.5 seconds. We were on the way to my class to get me. I was running like a mad woman. So, you know, we opened the door and I'm like, oh God, like Janeri is gonna be going crazy in this classroom and this teacher is just gonna freak out. So we walk in there and Janeri is just zooming by, living my best life. But after that, we basically had the same classes and never had the opportunity to switch again. Next question, have you ever tried twin pranks on people? We always have. We're pranksters, like we're always joking around, so we definitely have done twin pranks. Have you ever lied about being the only child in the family? No, never. We're proud of each other, we're proud of our brother and sister, so we would never lie. What are the same personalities you have? We're really similar. We're both really shy when we don't know you, but once we get to know you, we can be very outgoing. It's a wrap. Is it a myth that twins feel each other's pains and worries? No, it's not a myth. So I think it's like, okay, if she got punched in the face, I couldn't feel a punch in my face. It wouldn't be physical pain. Emotionally, I feel like we are really connected. So if she's going through a heartbreak or I'm going through a heartbreak, like there's just no lying to each other. We automatically know, like I wouldn't even have to talk to her and I'll just text her like, sis, what's wrong? Like, is everything okay? And we can be miles and miles away and we just feel it. Like, we'll call each other like, sis, are you okay? Like, I just have this bad feeling and I know that something's wrong. So don't lie. Are you jealous of each other? We want the best for each other. So whatever I have for me, I want for my sister. So I don't feel that we ever feel jealous. Like, we would never. I don't think that can ever happen. No. Like, I want to see my sister be the best that she can be, so, or be as like successful as I am. Yeah. So. Which is the older twin and how do you feel about it? So I am the older twin by about 10 minutes. I really feel like she's the older sister. I'm the one that takes the lead more than she does. Like, she has like a stronger personality. I feel like the little sister. So I take the big sister role. She takes on the little sister role. Yeah. Have you ever dated the same boy? No. We have like opposite tastes. Different tastes, yeah. What do you like the most about your twin? What do you like about me? That's a good question. So we love that like we have each other. We can talk about anything to each other. I have a best friend. Like, I was born with a best friend. We've never felt alone. If we started a new school or anything new in life that we have to do, we always have each other. We love that. Which one of you is better at cooking? I think you are. No, I think you're better at cooking. You know what? I just think that you're better at certain things. Like, you're better at making like Spanish style food. Yeah, you're better at like healthier foods. Yeah. I guess we have different styles of cooking, you can say. Do you have nicknames for each other? If the answer is yes, then tell us. We do. I think our nickname for each other is sis. Yeah, sis. We just call each other sis all the time. So we'll be like, hey sis, love you sis. Good night sis. Have you ever hidden food from your sister? Have you? Have you? I think that we're like so obsessed about being the same that we're like, okay sis, I had this piece of chocolate cake, like you need to eat it too because I'm not gaining all this weight alone. When we first like went our separate ways, it was really hard because we were used to always eating the same exact thing, like down to the snack, down to the drink. If we would serve or pour in juice, like we would measure and make sure that it was like an even amount. So it was really tough when we both went our separate ways because it's like, you know, sometimes I was around a McDonald's and she wasn't, but I was dying of hunger, but I felt like I couldn't betray my sister. So it was hard at first. Like, it's kind of weird, but I don't know, I guess you can say that's how close we are. We've not even spoken and gone to like a drive-thru, and we just so happen to go to the same drive-thru and get the same food. Yeah. So I mean, I think we just like the same things. Have you ever tried to go to a party without your twin? Yeah, we go out separately. Have you ever lied to your twin? I don't think there's any lying to each other because we just know each other so well that we'll know when the other one is lying. So there's just no getting away with it. There's just no point in doing it. Have you ever done something painful to your twin? What have you done to me? I think the most painful thing we went through was like moving away from each other. We live an hour and a half away from each other. Yeah, I think I really hurt you when I moved away. I didn't even want to talk to her. And we did not talk for a good 2 weeks, and that's a long time for us. We talk every second of the day. Have you ever regretted your twin's behavior? I think you have, when I'm more outspoken than you are. You told me like, sister, calm down, like it's just sweet and sour sauce. And you've walked away from me and left. Like, I'm like, okay, look, you handle your business. I'm gonna sit this one out and wait in the car because I do not want to be embarrassed. And me, I think that you've been pretty mad that I don't stand up for myself. Yeah. You know, in situations like those. So. Yeah. I always like. So you would be upset that, you know, you would have to take the wheel. Yeah. Are you identical? We are identical twins. Each other's dream job. I think that our dream job would be doing what we love, which is makeup, teaching other people, inspiring other people. That would be our dream. Who takes longer to get ready? We take about the same. Because our routine is exactly the same. Did you ever dress alike? Yes. And we still do. I think that this will be like for life. One thing that you can do well that the other can't. She has better handwriting than I do. I feel like you're just smarter than me in general. She's like more tech smart. I'm a little more savvier than she is. Girl, you be slow. Like, we'll buy equipment for our camera and I just won't understand how to put it together, and so she already has hers and she needs to walk me through this. Silliest question about being twins. Are you guys twins? We hear that like all day long, every day. Describe the last thing you did with your twin. We just spent the day with our parents and our little sister, kids, and we just hung out and ate dinner. After this, filming this video would be the last thing that we did. So the last question is, Have you guys ever done anything different? There was a stage that she did not want to dress like me.
So like rebelled against my twin sister.
She rebelled. She
Okay.
turned her back on me.
I think I was possessed because that was during the time where I decided to like color my hair and go blonde and red and every color under the sun.
And I was losing it. It was a situation that I had no control over. And it was never like that because we always agreed on the same thing. So when my sister hit me with this, I was just like slapped in the face.
You know what? I learned my lesson. I was humbled because my hair started, you know, falling off. Like I dyed my hair blonde and it was literally like rubber. And my sister was telling me not to do this. I was like, damn.
She should have listened. She should have listened.
Okay, so I think that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you wanna keep on watching us, then subscribe, like. If you have any other questions, then feel free to comment them below. And we hope to see you guys soon in our next video. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.